Alrighty, we're gonna try this without a mirror, just using my phone. So we'll see how it works. I've been thinking about getting this for a while. I saw Bonnie demonstrate it on Bonnie's Bargains. So I went ahead and bought some. I got it on Amazon, but you can get it directly from the manufacturer. It's iMethod Beauty Eyebrow Stamp and Eyebrow Stencil Kit. And if you look, I've got like gray hairs coming in, so my eyebrows are like wonky. Got gray hairs coming in everywhere, but in my eyebrows too. So you get this little box. It's got directions and everything, but you get a bunch of these little stencils. Take one out and show it to you. There's a bunch of different sizes, and I guess this would go this way. Or is it the other way? I guess it's the other way. And you use this stencil to stencil on your eyebrows with, here's the one I picked out. You can see I've used it. It's kind of dirty looking. The one that fits my eyebrows best. And then with that you get this little, it's like a little sponge applicator, and then inside is this powdered stuff, and you can pick a bunch. There's a bunch of different colors you can pick. I picked like a sort of a medium brown. Let's see, what do they call it? Wake up your dream brown. Wake up your dream brows, it says. It doesn't say what color this is. It's 03, whatever that is. Okay, we're gonna try that again. It cut out because it was full. I couldn't record anything else. I got way too much. I hardly ever take off my, even after I upload them to YouTube, I just leave the videos on there, which is stupid because they're on YouTube. I don't have to keep them. So I had to go through and get rid of a bunch of stuff. Games the kids put on there I never play, and a bunch of old videos and stuff. So let's give this a try. So you put it on here, kind of press it. Get it so you can see what I'm doing, and then you just kind of it kind of makes your brows stick out through the hole. Mainly, oh, gotta turn it over. Mainly, I want to get these ones that are white and make them not be white. And if I miss one, oops, I dropped the brush. That's what I'm looking for. Where'd the brush go? Put it back in the box. Yep, that's where it is. Okay, then you can just use the brush a little bit to get that last little bit of white that I don't want. And then you've got like a little spoolie thing to groom them so they're a little not so wild, because I've got pretty bushy wild eyebrows. So this is what it is. I think it works pretty good. It looks dark, but my eyebrows are dark. I mean, my eyebrows are dark, so they've got blonde and white and all different colors. So there's the iMethod Brow Stamp and Eyebrow Stencil Kit. I think it was on Amazon anyway. It was about $18. But, I mean, it'll probably last you a billion years because you only put a teeny bit on at a time. So what do you think? I still need to get that a little better. You can still see that little bit of white there. It's just, when you get gray hair in your eyebrows, you know you're getting old. So I'm gonna film another one today. I don't know if I'll put it up today or tomorrow, but several of you said you like my stories, so I'm gonna go back back in time to, I'm going to talk about my housing accommodations when I lived in Japan. So there you go. You have to watch for it. I'll have this same shirt on because I'm too lazy to change. So it'll come up today or tomorrow. So what do you think? Would you buy this? Do you think it's worth it? Do you have trouble doing your brows? I'm too lazy to pluck mine, so I just, luckily, bushy eyebrows are in now instead of those thin little things back in the 70s and 80s. So I don't have to pluck them too much. Hope y'all have a great weekend. I've got less than 2 weeks till I go on my cruise, and then you won't hear from me for a while till I get done with the cruise, because I'm just gonna enjoy my cruise and I'm too cheap to buy the Wi-Fi, so I'll film a bunch of stuff and then I'll edit it and upload it when I get back. First week of August. And also the first week of August, there's I don't know, there's a bunch of us doing it. We were teamed up in teams of 2, and we sent each other little gift boxes, $30-ish worth, and you had to pick a color and one thing that you like. So like I picked purple, and I'm decorating my house in kind of oriental type stuff. Asian, I guess is the correct phrase now. So we'll see what I get. And everything that you buy, the other person had to be in either their color or their theme. And the person I'm teamed up with, her name is Kim. Her color was blue, and her thing is cats. So we'll see what I come up with. Blue and cats. And of course, only me. I had a bag of stuff, and I wrapped it all in tissue paper, and I didn't have any more of those big postal, whatever you can cram in it, that's how much it goes for. And so I took the bag of stuff with me and some tape to tape the box shut and all that. So I get everything in there, tape it shut, address it, mail it. And then when I went to throw the bag away, there was one thing left in the bottom of the bag. Too late to send it now. Only me would do something like that silly. But watch for that. It's the first week of August also. So there won't be much the rest of this month. But I'll try and do a few little things before I go on my trip. But then I'll be gone the 24th through the 1st. So you won't see me at all. And then after that, it might take me a few days to get settled back in and get everything edited, because I'm gonna do a bunch of smaller videos instead of, I've watched videos of if you want to see the boat I'm going on, you can watch videos before you watch mine. It's called Quantum of the Sea with Royal Caribbean. And there's a bunch of videos, and the people, usually they do this big long ship tour, and it's like an hour. And they're walking around, and I get a little seasick watching them walk around and the scene jump around and stuff. So I'm not gonna do it that way. I'm gonna do like one of my cabin, and then I'm gonna do one of some of the food, and maybe film a little bit of the food we get each meal, and what the buffet looks like, and then maybe a little bit of walking around the ship and showing you things, but I'll stop and show you. I won't be walking and making it bounce all over like that. Then of course there'll be the scenery, and we're gonna get off probably Skagway is probably where we're gonna get off, either there or Juneau, not Juneau. Yeah, it is Juneau. One of those two places we'll get off. So there's gonna be a bunch of little films. So anyway, those will be mid-August probably. So give this a try. Love y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.